I'm gonna put people on the spot.
Remember this guy, Jeremy?
So let me tell you the story. He has a PlayStation 4 that he disassembled himself at home trying to repair his disk drive. He couldn't do that, so he sent us the disk drive, and he sent us a new disk drive trying to make us repair one of the disk drives. It happens to be that the original drive has a simple problem, and we fixed that, and it was fine. We told him, good news, your board doesn't need repair, everything is fine, no need for that, just pay shipping and we'll send it back to you. He starts by asking questions. Can you elaborate a little bit more, please? Originally, the old drive stopped working, so I got the new drive, blah, blah, blah. All this bullshit. You don't know what the fuck is going on. You sent us 2 drives. It doesn't matter what you say at this point. Just pay for shipping and we'll send you your drives back. He's like, are you sure? We're like, yeah, we're sure. That's strange. And we keep on, informing him, you need the drive or you're gonna get the 358882 error, blah, blah, blah. I get that, but anyways, he keeps on asking questions. This guy is very annoying. Like, just pay for your shit and take it back home. However, we're nice enough, we told him if you could have just sent the entire console, we would have just did the repair for you, no problem for anything. He was like, he didn't know that was an option. He has it apart, and the screws are all over the place. Wants to know how much you would charge on an estimate for me to put it together. He decides to send it in, and we told him lucky it was the HDMI, not the chip. It had another problem, his system, when it arrived. So here are the 2 links, go pay for it. Now this guy has problems paying, errors, blah, blah, blah. This is one of the longest tickets in history. It goes back to him, and he has a problem with it. And he can't see anything on this screen. We told him you have the 60-day warranty, bring it, send it back, and we'll take a look at it. However, this guy is trying to threaten us, and, do you want me to prove it publicly or privately that, what are you trying to do here, sir? Like, I am a person that has 115,000 followers and people know my repair skills and everything like that. Imagine this was happening to a little shop and you didn't even have that system and all these threads and everything, still written. What would you do? How would you handle a customer like that at your shop?